How to see your transactions on TikTok easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your transactions on TikTok fast and easy way. First thing we do, we go to TikTok and then go to the top corner right here, click on settings, and after that you will have many options here, but you have to choose the balance option right here. Wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page, but now make sure to click here in the top corner on this little icon. Click on it and here you go. This is your transaction history. You can choose and filter it from here, from subscription, from exchange for coins and purchase of coin and earning from live and a lot of things. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.